So I remember very well, almost 6 or 7 years ago, I remember when I had no phone, and I really wished almost each and every day for me to have a phone. Unfortunately, I was not able to afford anything. At that time, I was not a forex trader. At that time, I wasn't a blogger. At that time, I wasn't a YouTuber. At that time, I had no skills to help me make money. But as of now, here is what I've actually gotten in the past, okay? So not only have I managed to get one phone, I've actually managed to get all these phones over here. And okay, and the funny part is that the total cost of these phones over here cost of about 50,000 kwacha. That's really funny. And okay, it's not funny, but I'm quite shocked, like how I've managed to spend almost a 50,000 on these phones alone. Okay, so these phones are in order in the way I actually bought them. Okay, so every time when I bought a phone, I used to keep these boxes. So the first phone I actually bought was this phone over here, which is the Techno Spark 4 Air. And I actually bought this phone for my first forex profit. That has to be 4 or 5 years ago. Unfortunately, when I bought this phone, I was actually robbed in Chilanga. Yeah, it was really painful, and I went back to square one. I went back to zero. Okay, so after being robbed my phone again, almost a year later, I was also robbed. Not a year later, a few months later, I was also robbed my laptop, and I actually came back to zero. No phone, no laptop, no nothing. Okay, but even if I lost everything and even if I came back to zero, I was still able to pick up from zero, from nothing to here where I am. Okay, and I just don't know how I did it, but I did it. Yeah. So this was the first actually bought. Okay, 2 or 3 years later, I was able to afford this Tecno Camon 15. Okay, so the Tecno Camon 15 is one of the best phones for Tecno. It really does the job better. Like, it actually outperforms other phones out there. The battery is really strong, can do some gaming, some videos, and a lot of stuff. Okay, so as I said, this phone was actually robbed 4 or 5 years ago. This phone which actually is still there, and I had to give it to someone because I had bought this one. Okay, so this phone is what? Camon 16 Premium. Okay, so this phone as well, I actually gave it to someone. No, I actually sold it. Okay, when I sold it, I had to buy this one. So why did I sell this one? Okay, because I sold this one because it was just very big. Yeah, it was very big. Although the camera was good, the battery was okay, gaming it was perfect. But I had to buy this one, which is Tecno Camon 18, which comes with 256 GB and 8 GB of RAM. But even this phone has got 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB storage. Okay, so this Camon 18 Premier is actually still here, and it's this one over here. Okay, and it's got the fingerprint on the side. Okay, it's one of the best phones, and I've actually kept it, and I'm still having it. This is the one over here. Okay, then this one actually is the iPhone 13. I actually got it in 2021. Okay, oh, this is the iPhone 11 red. I actually got it in 2021. And okay, so this phone, okay, I actually used it some. It was nice, but eventually I had to sell the iPhone 11 to get the iPhone 13. Okay, so why did I sell the iPhone 11 to get a 13? It's because, okay, the iPhone 13, which is the same one I'm actually using to record this video, okay, has a blur or bokeh mode even in videos. Like, I'm sure you've seen those portrait photos whereby the background is blurred, but when it comes to the iPhone 13, even the videos, as you can see right now, like, if I want, I can focus in the background, or if I want, I can focus on my face, and if I want, I can focus on the face, on the box, and when I focus on the box, the rest will be blurred out. So that's the feature which has the iPhone 13 has, which I liked most. Okay, and for this, I don't even need to have another camera, an expensive physical camera. The iPhone 13 does the job better. But even this phone, okay, you can actually also blur the background. Even this one, no, this one does not. but these two phones can actually also make the background blurred even in videos. So these are best phones out here. Okay, and the total cost for all these phones over here cost of about 50,000. Okay. Okay, I'm also shocked because I never really thought like I was ever going to be able to afford any of this stuff you're currently seeing here. Okay, so this stuff we are seeing over here, they're not the only stuff that I've achieved. I've actually achieved a lot of stuff. Okay, and I'm probably going to do another video about showing you or telling you everything, but probably not now. So in this video, simply showing you the phones I've bought in the past. Okay, and it's not just it's not about to brag, but to also help you or inspire you that you can actually achieve anything. Okay, so I've achieved all this without a job, simply by using my skills, trading, blogging. Okay, although YouTube right now is not even paying anything, it's trash, and I'm thinking of giving up and focus on other stuff. So yeah, simply subscribe to my channels and you can learn one or two things on making money online. So give this video a like, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Bye for now.